How to change buying power to withdrawable cash Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or withdraw your buying power from Robinhood. If you are not sure how it works, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account and you'll see this home page. After that, click on person icon which is on the bottom right corner. It will access you to the account menu. Here, find transfers and click on it, or you can also click on search bar and type in transfers. After that, tap on transfer to your bank. You'll see your available buying power as withdrawable cash. Enter the amount you want to move, choose your linked bank account and then tap transfer. So this is how you can remove buying power from Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.